the meantime, shift focus and talk about Times Now exclusively accessing the picture of the alleged crime scene from Twisha's marital home in Bhopal. So the picture there that we are about to put up on your screens is allegedly at the place where she took her life. This has now been said that where Twisha was found dead. And the investigation that has been continuing there, you can see, so it is probably like a gym area, an area that is required for exercising. And this seems to be the picture, the place at her Bhopal residence where she allegedly when it comes to her body that was found. And this is from that very scene where she allegedly took her life. So that seems to be the picture there from the alleged suicide spot. The pictures that have been coming in, but the investigation has been proceeding. Remains to be seen if the central agency, the CBI, would be called in, because this is something which the Madhya Pradesh government has said that it is open on transferring the case to the Central Bureau of Investigation. Meanwhile, as far as her husband is concerned, he is now in custody, and it is being said that he will be produced before the court after a medical examination. But as far as Twisha is concerned, it's been more than 10 days since her reported death. And since then, it is being said that she hasn't been cremated. Her mortal remains are still there at the mortuary, because the family has been demanding that there are still, when it comes to certain irregularities as far as in the post-mortem report is concerned, and they have been seeking for a second autopsy, which the clearance have now come in from the High Court. Before it was, refused by the lower court, but AIIMS Delhi team is yet to receive the court order. मकरंद हमारे साथ जुड़ रहे हैं। मकरंद, तस्वीरों को एक तरीके से पीस बाय पीस जोड़िए, क्योंकि हम एक सीसीटीवी विजुअल भी चला रहे हैं जहां पे कम से कम 3 लोग लगे थे त्विशा की बॉडी को नीचे लाने के लिए। तो ये टेरेस का एरिया बताया जा रहा है जहां पर ये हादसा हुआ।
देखिए, इस घर में टेरिस के ऊपर एक छोटा सा जिम बनाया गया था, जिसमें योगा बेल्ट यानी कि जो जिम्नास्टिक बेल्ट है वो लगाया गया था लटकने के लिए। और इस पूरे जो एरिया है वहां पर ये जो पूरा घटनाक्रम है इसको सील कर दिया गया है। इस समय मैं थाने के बाहर ही मौजूद हूँ। आप तस्वीरें देख पा रहे होंगे, थाने के बाहर इस समय काफी हलचल है और सिक्योरिटी काफी ज्यादा लगी हुई है। पुलिस फोर्स बड़ी संख्या में लगा हुआ है। समर्थ को भी यहीं रखा गया है। जो तस्वीरें हम दर्शकों को दिखा रहे हैं वो क्राइम सीन की तस्वीरें हैं। क्राइम सीन में जो 2 रिंग लटकते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं, इसी एक रिंग से फंदा बनाकर ट्विशा फांसी पर लटकी थी, ऐसी जानकारी पुलिस की शुरुआती जांच में आई है। और इस पूरे मामले में सुसाइड का जो केस है, ये कहीं ना कहीं अहम सबूत है। जो रिंग है, इसी पर जो फंदा लटका हुआ था, इसी फंदे को जमा किया गया और उसी का मिलान जब बॉडी से किया गया पोस्टमार्टम के बाद, तो वो मैच हुआ है। और इसी को लेकर के जो जांच प्रक्रिया पर सवाल खड़े हुए वो इसी घटनास्थल की जांच को लेकर के हुए हैं। जो पीड़ित परिवार है वो लगातार कह रहा है कि जो जांच की गई है वो जांच ठीक से नहीं की गई, पुलिस ने लापरवाही बरती और अब लगातार शिकायतों के बाद, लगातार हंगामे के बाद जो जांच है वो उसको सीबीआई को सौंप दिया गया है। समर सिंह, काफी ड्रामेटिक सिचुएशन बनी, जिसके बाद जबलपुर हाईकोर्ट पहुंचा और वहां पर सरेंडर की कोशिश की। जज ने सरेंडर लेने से मना कर दिया, लिहाजा सीधे वहां पर पुलिस पहुंची और पुलिस ने हिरासत में लिया। हिरासत में लेकर पुलिस भोपाल आई देर रात लगभग 2 बजे के आसपास और यहां पर कटारा थाने में उसको रखा गया है। लगभग 2 से 3 के बीच में उसको यहां से ले जाकर पेश किया जाएगा कोर्ट के सामने और पुलिस 2 दिन की रिमांड डिमांड करेगी, ऐसी जानकारी सामने आ रही है। 2 दिन की रिमांड में उससे पूछताछ की जाएगी कि वो घटना के समय कहां था, क्या पूरा घटनाक्रम हुआ था। संभवतः घटना स्थल पर उसको ले जाकर रिक्रिएशन भी किया जाएगा। अभी फिलहाल कानूनी कार्रवाई चल रही है, कागजी कार्रवाई चल रही है और इसके बाद उसे कोर्ट ले जाया जाएगा। वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों के आने के बाद शुरुआती पूछताछ की जा रही है। देर रात जब उसे लाया गया तो उसका मेडिकल भी कराया गया था, मेडिकल एम्स में करवाया गया और उसके बाद उसे थाने लाया गया ताकि कोई इंजरी तो नहीं है या कोई
है। जब उन्हें कोर्ट के सामने पेश किया जाएगा, सो वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दैट डेवलपमेंट, बट दिस इज सेड टू बी द पिक्चर दैट इट इज बीइंग शेयर्ड फ्रॉम द प्लेस वेयर Twisha was found to be dead, and this is in that place in the terrace which is being said that was converted into an exercise area. Let's in the meantime also talk about her husband Samath, a lawyer by profession, and his practice to, his license to practice that has also now been suspended. But his mother, being a former judge, Giriwala Singh, is very well known how the judicial system works. Now, especially what had happened because the questions are now being raised on part of Twisha's family of alleged cover-up, and especially when it comes to the state police telling the court that while opposing her bail, which was previously granted, a police outpost barely 100 meters from her house, and yet they were not informed about Twisha's death. That seems to be the complexity. Meanwhile, Twisha's post-mortem that found antemortem injuries as well. So this is something which her family wants to be investigated further. Meanwhile, the probe team says that the crime scene handling also raises questions. They allege that the evidence may be tampered with. They say that Giribala didn't cooperate even after getting bail, and notices have been issued. And then comes the bigger concern when it comes to the influence that she has. So there has been regular media appearances that she has been doing, when it comes to slandering of the victim in this case, press briefings that has been taking place during active investigation, and the attempts to shape a narrative when it comes to a prejudice, the probe itself. So that is something which is the kind of backlash that she often has been facing. But however, she continues to remain as a free bird, and that very anticipatory bail has been challenged on part of Twisha's family. So those seems to be the questions there. A very dramatic appearance that was made by her son Samarth, who had been on the run for the last 10 days. However, he seems to be also shouting while the media tried to ask him certain questions about what happened that night when Twisha was found dead. Let's listen into the reactions coming in.
हम चाहते हैं कि और कई मांगे हैं कि जिस तरह से मिस गिरबाला सिंह की जो बेल है उसे रिजेक्ट की जाए, और इस प्रकार क्योंकि वो जिस तरह से वो उन्हें बच्ची को उनके मृत्यु के बाद भी उन्हें डिफेम करे जा रही है और नीचा दिखाई जा रही है और कोई रिस्पेक्ट नहीं है, और जिस प्रकार से बातें की जा रही है तो इसका संकेत है कि वो उनके उस समय शादी के समय भी जब वो जीवित थी तभी ये ऐसी बातें करती थी।
गिरिवाला कह रही है कि 1 नोटिस दिया, आपका दावा है 3 नोटिस दिए, वो झूठ बोल रही हैं क्या?
नहीं, हमने 3 नोटिस दिए हैं, और क्योंकि उन्होंने सहयोग नहीं किया तो आज हमने उनकी एंटीसिपेटरी बेल कैंसिल करवाने के लिए माननीय हाई कोर्ट में लगाया है।
पुलिस अंदर घुस रही है मेरे दे आर सेइंग कि नोटिस जब व्हाट्सएप था तो व्हाट्सएप तो पहले भी
3 नोटिस दिए आपको, आपने
एक भी नहीं दिया है भाई। द फर्स्ट व्हाट्सएप नोटिस कल आया है आफ्टर आई लेफ्ट फॉर जबलपुर। आई हैव माय लीगल राइट्स।
Well, legal rights, in a way that seems to be talking about, because she's a former judge and is very well aware how legally that she can, progress in this case. But why is she under lens, and why was she tracking Twisha? Because there are several claims and counterclaims that are coming in, because this is something which is being challenged by Twisha's family. The victim card clearly doesn't work here. So when we are talking about certain claims that also talk about media pressure on the accused and on the judiciary, but what about Giribala's several calls to the judges that may have happened right after Twisha's death? Then of course no material to show the accused involvement coming in. However, when it comes to the case that states otherwise. What about the WhatsApp chats and the call audio purportedly that has been shared on part of Twisha's family, where she was claiming that she was being constantly harassed? Then also another claim of prosecution's case based on certain presumptions there, but the in-laws don't seem to be cooperating with the police. Samarth went missing. He was missing for 10 days. No trace of him to be found until at a point of his own convenience that he made a dramatic appearance yesterday. Then the WhatsApp chats, they have been claiming, Giribala and her family, that it's been edited, it's been tampered with. But what about the defamatory statements that she herself has been making in public about a daughter-in-law who is dead, who is no longer there to defend herself? Dowry allegations has been cooked up, says the former judge, saying that we were the one who had actually given a good amount of money to Twisha, so there is no allegation of dowry. But money seems to have been transferred on the very day which Twisha was found to be dead. So are there any linkages? Well, that is on part of the probe team to further investigate.